Hello everyone. So in this first part of the MCP and A2A code lab, I'll be demonstrating this first assignment or the project, creating a multi-agent system with ADK. That would be the first part, and then deploying in the agent engine and getting started with the A2A protocol. Yeah, so let's first understand what is this A2A. A2A protocol is basically an open standard which is designed to enable seamless communication in case of two agents working simultaneously. It's basically autonomous AI agent from different frameworks. How will the agent architecture look like in our case? So there will be an image scoring agent which will score the image generated by the AI, and at the same time one will be the image generation scoring agent, and another one will be the checking agent instance. So this will be more clear when I walk you through the code. So there are three tasks. First one is to install the ADK and set up the environment. So just as we do for the ADK setup, we need the Vertex AI. So we can do that by just going to the Vertex AI, and you need to enable all the APIs so that they are accessible by our Cloud Shell right over here. So that's the first part, and then we need to create this image processing, image scoring directory over here, and those that directory will basically have one image scoring and one A2A directory which will contain the agent.json and agent.py which will communicate. So now I'll walk you through the code. These are some of the prerequisites that are necessary for us to run the project, like the Google ADK and the A2A protocol to communicate. So this is the image scoring directory, as you can see over, just a minute, right over here. This is the image scoring, and this is the one which is the ADK A2A server, and this is the test client where we have a remote test, and we have set up this are to be replaced by your respective project ID and the storage bucket. Now, yeah, so for this image scoring, for the first part, which is this, we have to replace everything in the creating the directory, and then replacing the name of the environment variable as per your credentials. And once we have this set up, the agent.py inside this image directory will look something like this. It will set up the session, then it invokes the image generation scoring agent. Let's just walk through the code, and then I will show how this agent will basically look like. So yeah, there are multiple sub agents running as a part of this main agent. First is the image generation prompt agent, which basically is right over here. We give the prompt an image of a cat by a tropical beach. Uh, then there is an image generation agent right over here, get the policy, and after that it generates the image, and then there is scoring uh, image prompt. So basically, if we go over here, it will get the image, a highly detailed image of the cat. I have generated this, and as you can see, at last you have the image has been evaluated. Total of score is 50, which meets the condition for stopping the loop no further. So it is a continuous loop that runs, and this is the threshold. Once that threshold is reached, it will stop. So yeah, these are the three sub agents running, and this is an example of an image of a cat by tropical beach, and these are the set of actions parallelly being done by this ADK agent, the image scoring agent. Okay, so now we want this to communicate with our A2A, and we need to deploy this agent to the engine. So to do that, these are the set of steps. We need to export the cloud location as an environment variable and also the project. First, as you can see that it's given that first go to the PyProject dot 2ml. Okay, so let's go over here and right over here, not over here, we have this uh, PyProject dot 2ml file. Yeah, so PyProject.2ml file. So we need to create this wheel which will help us communicate with the A2A while we talk with the two agent. And for the deployment, we need to create a requirement.txt so that when we deploy, it will be picked up and it can be deployed. So after we create and build by saying the poetry build, there's a deploy.py file right over here which has a set of instructions which tells that what uh, bucket it has to use and what would be the project ID and everything. So in my case, I have just blurred this out because those are the secret ingredients, so credentials. So yeah, this part is about that. Just a minute. Okay, all right. And okay, so once this deployment is successful, you can run uh, and we can see something of this sort right over here, agent engine created. I'll just show you my command. Uh, all right. Okay, let me just scroll down, 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 down. Okay, okay, I think it is here. Oh yeah, so you can see that it is executing this command. I'll just quickly show you. Uh, yeah. So this is the second part where we have deployed our agent, and in the third part, we need to test uh, this multi-agent A2A which we have right over here. The second part which has this remote A2A, and we have the agent.json which has the structure which we want to pass. It's similar to what we have over here, exactly the same. And when we pass this command curl localhost, and it will invoke this JSON file which has set of instructions like name, description, what it has to do, and then it's like a template which you can see over here. Just a minute. Yeah, which you can see over here, and the instruction is basically to create an image of a cat, and once this command runs successfully, it will, you can see that you can check the output image in the specified cloud storage. So I have given this thing uh, scoring content type is this, and then create an image of a cat. It successfully did the task, and as you can see, as I go to the cloud location right over here, where is it? Just a minute. Yeah, so here is my cloud location, and as you can see that this is the one which has the generated image. Let's open this one and generated image. And if I, okay, so as you can see that create an image of the cat, so it has created this image and stored in this cloud location. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you.